Hey everybody, we are getting ready to put in a planter box because it's such a nice day and we thought why not grow some of our own vegetables. It's springtime, so it's time to do that. I picked up some cedar wood to make the box, picked up some soil and a bunch of plants, and we're gonna get it done today. Got me some outdoor screws to use with the planter box. These should hold it pretty good. Time for some soil.
Pigs are so happy because they roll around in beneficial dirt all damn day. Oh. So we've got some spearmint. These are all deer resistant. Not to say that they won't eat them, but they're less likely to eat them. A lot of your herbs came up on that list. They don't like peppers. These are jalapeno peppers. Of course, I gotta do my cherry tomatoes. So excited. Oh wait, this is not cherry. That's a big beef. I'll see how that goes. Cilantro, yum. Some garlic. This is the perfect spot for it. All right, sun, sun, sun. More sun. All sun. Okay, how am I gonna situate these?